So we see where everybody's trying to fight off pretty much the same nipples. We got 5 kids here, 10 nipples, but let's all fight off the same couple of nipples. And you can see that they've ripped the nipples off there. Look how fat this dude is. He's trying to eat my hair. He's just fat. Wow. But yeah, these kids are old enough to be weaned, but I've got them on once a day feeding now for the next 3 months because I want to make sure that they are nice and healthy for breeding this fall. Why don't you drink the milk a little faster there, Copper? And you got Opal. That's Cal's daughter. And then you got Tansy here. That's Anna's daughter. And then you got little Crystal here. That's Mavis's daughter. And then you got Ruby, who is Elsa's daughter. So with that being said, I just wanted you guys to see, like, I can't get over how we got 5 kids, 10 nipples, but we all want to fight off like 2 or 3 nipples. Makes a lot of sense, let me tell you. And I got to do a better job with dehorning, obviously. She's got scurs. That one she's got. She's the only one that actually got them pretty good, and Crystal. Bucks are really hard to do, but once we get a horse trailer bought, or a stock trailer, I'm going to take everybody that's got either horns or scur and have them removed because they're not safe to be around. It is a beautiful day today. That sun is warm compared to what we've been having. I've got cheese being made. Okay, so Jack wanted to say hi to everybody, but he's actually saying hi to Diamond. Anyways, I got cheese being hung, which you guys seen a little clip of that. I've got to make goat milk caramels because I got quite a few orders for those. That is Odessa's daughter right here, and she's got a little udder started, as you can see. A little udder started, which is, she looks pretty good. Yes, Lacey, I see ya. Ariel, you were bad today on the milk stand. Kicking off the milker like 6 different times. But yeah, I got orders coming in on Friday from soap stuff, so I'll be making some more of that. I'm still waiting on my bases of my stuff to get here for my shampoos and conditioners, body washes, more lotion stuff. But I've got face masks I'm going to be doing with goat milk, and there's a bunch of new items that we'll be putting in our list of goat milk beauty products. So make sure you stop over to my Facebook, which is in the description, go and like that, and you'll get updates on everything that's moving through there and what's available and whatnot. But thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goats, you can't live with them and you can't live without them. So we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.